always wanna say it's too bad, but I'm glad we have a holiday. Christmas could be worse. Every year it's as subtle as a baseball bat, the Santa suit, the mistletoe hat. It's too bad you have to club us on the head like that. I'm glad we got this cat. Now most cats I sorta don't like, but this cat I sorta don't not like. Especially during the holiday season, when she's relentlessly the same as usual again. It's too bad I don't have time to write a real bridge, but mostly Christmas songs stay in the fridge, throw 'em out in December for the holiday. I'm glad we got this cat. You have to have a holiday to even try to say what you are.